Today I'm going to show you how to change header elements in the Elementor theme. This is particularly useful if you're looking to customize your website's appearance and make your header stand out. But there's an important limitation we need to address up front. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your entire website where you can manage all aspects of your site's design and functionality. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access the theme builder where header customization takes place. Next, navigate to Templates in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Hover over it, and you'll see a submenu appear. From that menu, click on Theme Builder. This is where Elementor allows you to create and edit various parts of your website's structure, including headers, footers, and other key template components. Now, within the Theme Builder section, look for the Header option. This is where you would typically be able to add new header designs or modify existing ones to match your branding and style preferences. However, here's where you'll encounter an important restriction that many users run into. In order to actually add or change header elements, you need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor provides excellent page building capabilities, but the theme builder feature, which includes header and footer customization, is reserved exclusively for Pro users. This means that while you can see where the header settings would be located, you won't be able to make modifications without upgrading your subscription. If you're serious about customizing your site's header with Elementor, investing in the Pro version gives you full access to the theme builder, allowing you to create custom headers that perfectly match your website's design and functionality needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.